afraid, Allie.
Come look, because I use this on a regular basis. And I love, even with the handle, if I notice something that I'm like, you know what, let me just get in here and work on some of this dead dry skin, but it feels so good. Like, it almost just feels a little bit, I wouldn't even describe it like sandpaper.
No, it's not
Because
quite.
it's less texture.
This is
but
a
it's
nano
amazing
microdermabrasion. So this is nano.
It can really work. Oh, there we go.
It's so funny, you know, you say the term nano laser and you think that you're talking about like NASA or like space science, and we're actually talking about our feet. But what it does when it comes in direct contact with your feet is it just exfoliates everything with ease, and you're not affecting that healthy skin.
My director's like, wait, you have runner feet? Do you know why they look good? Because I use this regularly. Because you work on that dead dry skin with so much ease before it builds up.
Yes.
That's kind of the beauty of it. It is allows you without something that's uncomfortable. Where is it for you on your feet? Is it the heel? For me, it's usually this side area. Now, I actually just used mine yesterday, but I get the build up on the side.
Yes.
Andy, because I'm a long distance runner.
Yes.
Maybe it's how your shoes fit, but some people are even taking this
That's
one.
right.
If you get a callus like in between your toes,
there you go.
You can work on that.
And that is new, because before it was a little harder to get into those areas, but now with this, that's exactly what you're getting. And again, these are glass, so it's never going to wear out. It's never going to dull, and you're not worried about. Everybody needs this.
If you you got feet and you got nails. You need this. Okay, so here's the deal. Let me show you all the colors. You have your mint right here. We also
This is special. It's elite. It's deluxe. It just feels amazing. It's easy to use.
It does not
just
hurt.
A few things back and forth.
And
a few
I
passes.
like, Andy, if like this is real life, I might be in the like bathroom and I see something and I have this style heel on and I'm like, let me just get that one spot.
Right. Just gonna grab it.
And then like I would wipe it off. I don't know if I have.
Yeah. Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
There we go.
I could wipe it off, and then I'm like, okay, now
there
I
you
can go. So like, you might just use these for quick touch-ups.
Yes.
You don't have to sit down and do a full-on every single time. But the reality is it's one of those things that every house should have. Look at the back of my heel, guys.
Well, let's just face it, you're going to get better than professional results with this. Better than professional results. Because again, it's that technology. No, it is that technology. This is a nano laser etched glass nail file. And